Video will be talking about the reduce function in Python. How are we going to use the reduce function? In order to do that, first you must import reduce function from function tools. Okay, let's say you have a function and normally it operates on a binary function. Okay, so a binary function is a function that takes two arguments. So for example, like this one, uh, this function is just want to add two numbers. Okay, just want to add these two numbers, but you use that when you use that in reduce, you can use it separately. For example, let's say I want to use this function, I want to do like add, or let's say I just want to print out immediately add 2 plus 3, you will get no, return 2 plus 3, no, yeah, so it's just this one is just going to print, I want to add 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So okay, so you will get 2 plus 3 will be 2 and 3 will be passed here, 2 plus 3 will be 5. Okay, so you can also, but then it's just to add two numbers. Okay, but let's say you have a list and you want to sum all the elements in the list. Okay, so you can use the reduce function, but first you need to import it here. Okay, first you need to import it here, and also you need to, yeah, for example, this is the reduce function, you call this function add here. Okay, and it will pass this list. So what happened is that this is the starting of the initial value for the list. So what happened is that it's going to add this one will be the initial value that will be passed to here. Okay, so 0 plus b at the moment is the first element of this. Okay, so if I run this, you will get 10. Okay, so now b 0 plus 2, you get 2. Okay, and then later that 2 will be used to pass again to here, 2 plus 5, which is the second element. So 2 plus 5, you got 7. Okay, and 7 will be used later to pass to here. So 7 plus this last one, the last element, 7 plus 3 is 10. So the final result will be 10. So this is how you use reduce. Okay, so you can also change, for example, if you change the initial element, let's say you start with 5, and you'll notice this one will be 15. Okay, that is because 5 add with 2, you got 7. 7 add with 5, you got 12. And 12 add with 3, you get what is it, 7 plus 3, you 12 plus 3, you get 15. Okay, not only that, you can use it for add, you can use it for any other functions. You can just name this function, for example, multiply. Okay, or multiply like that. Maybe you want to do something like this. Okay, so what happened is that it's going to produce, no, because this one is multiply. Okay, so it's going to multiply this 5 multiply with 2. Okay, with 10 multiply with 5, you got 50. 50 multiply with 3, you got 150. Okay, so you can use it with this is just the initial value. Okay, so, and also let's try to find out what is this. Let's say you want to know what is this every time it runs. Okay, you can just print. Okay, print a, and let's say put some string here, and this is b. Okay, so let's try to find out. Let's say this is add. Okay, this is add. Okay, so what happen if it's just adding it? Okay, so maybe this one change to plus. Okay, so you see, so initially 5 is passed to A, 5 here, so plus here is actually from here. Okay, so this one is B is the first element. Okay, then the second one is, because you already got the result which is 7, so 7 will be used as A, so that's why it is passed here. So that's why you get this output. Plus is here, and also B is actually 5 because it is the second element. So you add them together here, you will get 12. Okay, in 12 will be used later for the next one, so which is here. Okay, 12, it is displaying 12 here, plus is here, which is this one, and then 3, which is the last element. And 12 plus 3, you got 15. Okay, that's where you got the final output, which is 15. Okay, so you can actually print this one. Okay, so you get the final output 15. Okay, so yeah, that's it about this reduce function in Python.